All right. We're here. How's it going? See if anyone shows up here on a 3 o'clock on a Sunday. What is up, my man Silver? Always with the support. I appreciate that. Let's see. We got 5 people here. We're also over on Twitter streaming, so welcome in. But yeah, I appreciate that. XRP Army all the way. What's up, David? How you doing, my man? Can we look at Pock? Is that a deck screener coin? I don't even open deck screener yet. Pock. Let's see. Is there anything bullish? I don't think there is. I don't believe there is. Yeah, I know we looked at Pock before, but I'm not sure if it was on deck screener or what. Pock to the, oh yeah, peg. All right, let me pull deck screener up real quick. Let's see. What's up, young arsonist? How you doing? Let's get this on full screen. XCN more downside. What is it at? I haven't even looked at. Get out of my way. I haven't even looked at XCN. But I was about to do an update on Ondo here. Ondo's forming another bear flag. So I'm seeing this on a lot of coins again. So I think there's more downside for everything. Does not look good at the moment. XCN, and then we'll go over to Pock real quick. What is XCN up to? XCN. She's still kind of holding up here, but let me see. What are we holding? Yeah, we're just kind of holding this level here. So if we end up drawing a... I think if you cannot get over this downtrend, which is clearly not doing, but you are holding at the moment, right in this area here. But I would just keep it simple. Any lower than you are now, I think we're coming down to the bottom of this green box, and we're going to see if it's going to hold up. So I would say another 22-23% drop is in play right now, as long as you're in a downtrend. As long as you're not over a penny and a half. 1.5, you're at 1.2. Then yeah. Yeah, I agree. They're flushing out the week. What's up, Jew? Amsterdam in the house. Yeah, we'll look at Moonwell and Zbeck in just a moment. Let me go ahead and pull up deck screener real quick. Stop the screen. All right. Peg here. This the right chart for the peg coin? Veracity. Let's see. What are we on? Yeah, let me make sure this is the right chart for peg, because this is a 6-month-old one, and then there's a... I think there's a 4-month for Uniswap one. We should have a chart for it. Let me see. 16. Okay, they're all at the same price, so I guess it doesn't matter. All right, so peg. Let's go ahead and get this chart built up so we can see what's going on. Wow, this thing fell off the table. I don't know where we were last time we looked at it, but damn. So I would imagine your question is this the bottom? 3-day chart. I mean, it could be, but the only real thing you can do is just gamble. Let me pull this up a little bit bigger real quick here. I mean, all these deck screener coins, from my understanding, they all just completely died. I'd imagine we drew this last time, but we'll just keep it simple. I'm just trying to see if it hit support. And maybe a bottom's down here. It's just there's no wick down there to draw it from. Yeah, just keep it simple. If you can stay over this 1272 at 15, maybe that's the bottom. And then long term, really the only thing we can do, unless we're going to go down to like 4-hour candles here, is that macro 236. Because there's really nothing to draw on this thing. Yeah, just keep it that simple. You got to get over 32 to confirm a bottom. So complete gamble play, in my opinion. Are you serious? What's up, Zero Cool? What's up? How many Davids do we have in here? Just the one, huh? Fleshing out the week. Yeah, I already read that. Moonwell, what's up, Bob? What's up, Tara? You think Zebek would drop lower? All right, let me get caught up here and get off a deck screener. Yeah, I agree. What's up, Honey Badger? We've done nothing in the market but lose money and sit here and be bored. Yeah, is that true? Are they delisting those coins? That's bad. Why the hell they list them in the first place? Thought they were getting ready for the bull run. I guess because they're performing so badly. All right, yeah, we went over XCN. Well, I just covered Well, but I don't remember what it's doing. I think Well broke down. I don't remember. Oh yeah. Yeah, the whole market's doing this same thing where we die and then it starts to move up just a little bit, just enough to form that bearish market structure there, that bear flag on the smaller time frames, and then. But yeah, just due to the fact that you broke the trend here on Well, what you can expect from Well, you're getting stuck again for the second week after that large move down. You're over the 382, so right now you're bullish over 18, but this is probably what's going to take place unless you can get back over this trend line here. So just keep that in mind. There's some downside for Well. And like I keep saying, Ondo and a lot of these coins are forming bear flags again, so the whole market's going to drop another 60%. Oh my God. And now that y'all said they're delisting those coins, the sentiment is so bad right now. Yeah, so short-term price, you got to get over 2.3. If you can get over 2.3 and then bullish over 3.2, that's how simple I would keep Well. And then ZBEC, ZBCN. I believe it hit the bottom again. It came all the way back down to where it was. Yeah, I mean, you're holding support. That's all you can really say. This consolidation period we watched it in, it pumped, got stuck at the 618 perfectly, and then it just died all the way back down. So is it going to go lower? I have no idea. As long as you're below the 236 at 99, you may consolidate and hold here like you've been doing all back here. So I would just say it's probably just time for chop again. If your coin's not going down, just get ready for chop. Unless you get back over some key levels like 99. And then, of course, the 382 at 120012 to be bullish again. But this thing completely died. But yeah, I mean, just by looking at the chart, it shouldn't go down. I mean, you've hit that final support. You had massive red candles spawn in. So what more could we ask for? All right, let me get caught up here. What do we got? We got 35 people in here. I appreciate that. I appreciate everyone over on Twitter watching, on X. Yeah, Floki, Turbo, and Giga Coinbase delisting in April. Maybe that's when the bull run starts. When these companies do this kind of thing, then we go. Peg sold off like a scam coin, but it's got great utility. Yeah, but at this point, you gamble on the bottom, I guess. I still didn't buy that one coin I was going to look at. Let me make this bigger. What was that one we were looking at? I know you guys can't see it, but I'm going to see if I can find it. What was that coin? Baby? Yeah, baby on Sol. If you want a gamble coin on Solana, I need to go buy this one. This thing's still down here at the bottom. It could die easily, but you could throw 50 bucks on baby on Sol. We'll go back and look at it in a moment, and we'll talk about it, because that's just ridiculous. I don't know what it is, but we need to look into it, I guess. Veracity. Let's go look at VRA. As I get caught up on the chat here. What's up, you grow, I grow? How you doing? What's up? Oh, yeah. You flipped XCN, Swift, ACH, HBAR, and a few others for a pretty good margin before everything fell. All right, Veracity. We got Eldor for 5. I appreciate that, my man. Always in here saving the stream. But yeah, that's not good. They're delisting Turbo. Isn't that what you said, Turbo? Turbo, Giga, damn, and Floki. I guess we need to look at those because I don't even know what they're doing. But yeah, I appreciate the 5. SEI and Veracity. VRA. Let's see what Veracity's doing. Come on now. Yeah, Veracity is another coin that came all the way back down to the bottom. Or no, I guess it made a new low. There's nothing bullish on the Veracity chart at all. I guess we looked at it last time. High to the low, you're getting stuck already here, so you have to get over 002. Unless you get over 002, lower lows, lower highs, there's nothing good looking on this chart. Bullish over 2.6, and then macro over 3.4. But those are your levels to watch on Veracity. Could it come down to the other volume level? Of course. But it's hitting the top of this here, so maybe that is the bottom. But you have to get over those prices. It moved up just a hair since we looked at it last time on Veracity. So if that's the bottom, maybe you get Veracity to a 786 retracement. 618 would be your 10x, and then if it can come up here to 3.5 pennies, so 1.5 pennies and 3.5 pennies are probably your targets for this cycle if it does not go lower. If it goes lower, those prices are going to change. Maybe it bounces back up and only hits a penny at some point, but 10 to 20x on Veracity. SEI, what is SEI doing? Let me make sure we can see. So yeah, I guess they're delisting these coins because they're going to zero. SEI, oh come on, my computer keeps coming unplugged. All right, let's see. SEI on the weekly, but this is exactly what we're talking about. We're seeing this on everything. Breaking the trend, falling down, bear flag, and then more downside. So you're above the 618, so from the ultimate low to the high, I don't know why that's moved. So could it come down? Of course it could. The fact that you're making lower lows and lower highs now, there's nothing bullish on SCI at the moment. What did you say? Did you ask? Oh, you said price prediction. But yeah, SCI. Yeah, SCI. Why do I keep grabbing the wrong damn tools? Yeah, if you can stay over 18, you got to get back over 2.6 here. 236 to confirm any sort of a bottom. And if we want to take it a step further, that high to the low, I guess I can move that out of the way. But you said prediction. It depends on if it goes down. It's so bearish right now. If you lose 18, then yet another coin that's going to drop 40%. And then if you hold here and that's it, why is everything not on target? All right, we'll move that out of the way. We'll move this out of the way. I don't know where all our levels went. I guess we got a new chart. I don't even know. But we'll keep it simple. If that 618 is the bottom, let's see what kind of damage SEI can do if the bottom is in. Excuse me. 786 retracement. I would imagine once you get over that level, break this high, that's when you're going to be bullish. So SEI won't be bullish until you get over 77 at this point. About a 300% move. So about a 4x almost. Yeah, where do you think SEI is going? What did we have? I would just keep it simple. It looks so bearish right now. Just focus if it's going to run and hold that 618, and that's the bottom. 9.5, 10x up to about $2. All right, let me get back over here. So if it doesn't keep dying, maybe you're lucky and you get a $2 SEI. What's up, Corey? What's up, CD? How you doing? The email says it doesn't meet listing standards for Floki, Turbo, and Giga. Really? You're debating on putting 1300 on Ethereum, Classic, Alchemy, ACH, Jasmy. What do you think is the better play of the three? Not financial advice, but if I had to put money on one of those. What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing, my man? Welcome to the stream. I really like ACH's chart. What is Jasmy doing? I know Jasmy flipped bearish. That's unfortunate, but we're still holding on to our green box. Yeah, at this point, probably ACH. What is the... I know we looked at Ethereum Classic last night, I believe, but what does the Ethereum Classic chart look like? Me personally, not financial advice, probably ACH, but let me see. Because ACH, I think, has way more upside. Ethereum Classic here, if we're lucky, if we have a good bull run, you may get a 14 up to a 20x. But it's on the bottom. That should be the bottom for Ethereum Classic. If you ever wanted to put in a long on something for a bull run, I guess that would be it. Unless something happens. Same thing with ACH, though. I don't remember what the return was on ACH, but we're going to look. Because I only have a little bit of money left. I'm not in on anything yet. So I got to wait to see what happens. Yeah, the fact that ACH ran, it came down, it's been chopping around and going sideways for years. The fact that it's forming this macro pattern here and holding, I mean, it is crypto. This thing could still break down like Ethereum Classic, anything can, but this looks extremely bullish to me. I'm going to go all in on ACH. I probably should put it in now. Just a little long position. I think at minimum on ACH is a 20x from here. 22x. So it's a little bit more than Ethereum Classic. And if we get a Monster Bullrun and we get 80 cents to $1 on ACH, then you can see it's there. Maybe a 35x. But I think when ACH gets out of here, it gets over the 618 at 5.5, she's just going to have a God candle spawn in. Unless the market is just not bullish anymore, then it doesn't matter what you buy. What's up, Stone Santa? Oh yeah, they're not making any money for Coinbase, so get the hell out of here, huh? What's up, Hoover? We got flip coins for 5. I appreciate that, my man. I appreciate that a lot. No one's been here lately, and we've been just bearish as hell, and there's been no super chats and just no revenue on the channel, so I appreciate that. But yeah, we got 55 people watching here and on X. That's nice. What's up, Tony? UTHR, what is that? But I appreciate the 5. Yeah, we'll go look at Snack. You want to look at your other coins too? See how dead they are? My God. UTHR and Snack. Yeah, we'll go look. Let me see if I can find UTHR. Pull it up real quick. Yeah, when you guys say something like this, yeah, it's a DEX screener coin, I guess. You got to tell me where it is. ETH, Solana, Base, whatever it is. That way we can go look at it. But I don't know if you've been here or not, Flip Coins, but there's a really good gamble play here. I would say go look into it. I don't even know who brought that up. Was it you, David? Was it David who brought up, what the hell am I doing? Someone brought up the baby on Solana share screen. There we go. But yeah, this coin here, baby on Solana, 99K market cap. It's got locked liquidity. It's got 8,000 holders now. It's trying to hold some sort of a bottom down here. Uh, 200x just to hit a 786 retracement. Up to whatever that, however many zeros, 19. And then if this thing can shoot up and hit a new high and possibly hit the 1272, what did we say this was? That's a 3,000-4,000x. Oh man. 6,000x. I don't know if that's possible, but you never know. Can you imagine throwing $100 on this thing if that's the bottom? Even if it goes to 0, to gamble with $100 on this thing and it just has a candle spawn in. Wow, 6,000x. All right, let me get over to, what is it? Snack. Snack. Are we still going to 0? What did we say last time on Snack? What about 3-day, weekly? I mean, she had a run, but yeah, I mean, it doesn't look great at the moment. Large red candles spawned in here. Could it go lower? Yeah, it could, but let's see what kind of things we're holding here. Let me see what I got. If we go from the high to the low, yeah, you just broke support. You came all the way up perfectly to the 2 level here. Got stuck. We tried to be bullish, but then it just broke down. Now you broke below the 1272, and you're getting stuck right at it. So unless you can get over 3 up to 3.5, there's no momentum up. And the fact that you're getting stuck on this weekly candle here, you're probably going to drop all the way back down to the high, fill a couple of gaps, and drop, as of right now, 27%. So I guess she's coming to back test this high back here after she blew through it. Makes sense. But that looks like what it's doing right now on Snack. It's got more downside in my opinion. So just be aware of that. If it somehow wakes up and gets over these levels here, up to 3.5, and then has a run at some point, you know, it'll have another run, maybe another 10x left in the tank. Oh, I didn't even have that on full screen, but you guys could see it. What'd you say? It's called Baby Soul. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Did we do Swift yet? No, we didn't. Oh yeah, UTHR. Do Swift so you can puke some more. You don't know why that typed in. I didn't mean to type that. What'd you type? I didn't see you type yet. Okay, on Solana. UTHR on Solana. If Solana/BTC goes up, your coins might have a chance, yeah. But I don't even know what it's doing. I think Solana BTC, like everything else, is still going down. It's called Baby Soul. Are we looking at the wrong baby? Bells, please. What's up, JY's Adventures? What's bells? All right, we're still on deck screener here, so let's look up the UTHR. UTHR on Sol. Come on. I don't know when nothing's loading. This token is mintable. This token is freezable. This token is a scam. Straight out tells you it's a scam. Let me look at the other chart. UTHR. Maybe it's this other one. This one has way less liquidity, so I guess it is the top one. I guess it's the same damn thing. Rug pull from hell. Yeah, I don't know what you want me to say about this. We'll look though. UTHR. 3.5 million market cap, 41K liquidity not locked. It has 2,500 holders. But if I ever see that, just a warning right off the bat, you can gamble on it, but there's probably better coins. I don't know what this is, but you probably do. But if that is some sort of bottom forming and it's not going to the shadow realm, you clearly have to get over this level here that was support, now resistance. So once you get back over 10, the bottom is back in, bullish over 15. And then what kind of damage can this gamble do? Let's see. 786 retracement will be a 5x, and then if it can hit a new high, a 17x to $1.36. So that's worth it to you. You're looking for the right name, baby on Solana. Yeah, what is bells? Baby on Solana. I'll type in baby soul, see if anything pops up. But that baby coin there, that baby on Solana, I don't know. I'm gonna look into it after the stream, I guess. Check out their Twitter and their website and everything, and that's worth a $50 gamble play to me. Even though I did that before with a couple $100, $50 on a bunch of coins, and it went to zero. But it's a choice you got to do. Baby soul. Wait, what did you say? Baby soul or baby soul? No, there is no XC in bounce. Alright, baby soul. Let's see if anything pops up. Oh, there's a different one. Baby soul. Energy drink with gamified networks. 81K market cap. 6,000 holders. We got two good baby coins on Solana to look at now. Well, she had a run in the past, so that's good. What did it do? Oh my lord. Where's everyone that got that move? Is there anyone in here that bought baby soul? Damn, you got a 400x on that thing. This thing came out and did a 400x. So what can it do now? So baby soul and baby on soul. Damn. Wish I would have had some extra Solana or some extra money on the side to buy these 2 coins. I really don't want to take money off those other that other exchange. I told myself I wouldn't touch that money, but these are looking juicy. What can this do? If that is the bottom where it's trying to form 786 retracements of 58x, jeez. Almost an 800x. Little over an 800x to the new high. 400x, then an 800x, and then I'm good. Wow. Alright. Bells is the first coin the Dogecoin creator made. PAL level 1, first meme coin. Oh, layer 1. Why did I say level 1? But yeah, I mean, not financial advice, but there's 2 good Solana plays that possibly could turn $100 into a lot of money. Bells. I don't know if it's on the other one or here. Yeah, is this it right here? What'd you say? It's just taking a breather, my man. What's up, Diesel? It may bottom out soon after it drops another 25% or so, whatever I said it was, but we'll look at it again in a moment when we're back over there. But if it breaks below the 382, if it breaks below 009, then yeah, it's probably done for a good time. But it's on the macro, it's just cooling off. XYO is my last flip for this cycle. Yeah, besides maybe buying a gamble coin, I think I'm just done for now. Until the market turns euphoric, I'm not just going to buy anything, because I keep losing money. Oh, we got Eldor for 2. I appreciate that, my man. Sweet, $30. What's up, Ibrahim? Oh, it's like Mexi, okay. Yeah, we'll get back over there and look at it, but I appreciate the 2 for Sweet. So I guess this is not what you're talking about. Something completely different. All right, back over to whatever the hell it's called. What is it called? Trading View. Sweet of $30. But yeah, ACH is looking good here. Sweet of $30. I don't know. I mean, I'm bullish on Sweet and Ondo, but I think Ondo's going down below 75 cents now. Sweet could be the bottom end. I mean, you're back testing the previous high points, and you're getting a nice little bounce at the moment. But Sweet of $30. Yeah, if it doesn't break down here, higher highs and higher lows, if it holds the high this level here, I don't see why not. It may go to $60 if it doesn't break down. If it breaks down below $2 and you start getting down to these levels, then I mean, there's still a shot. I mean, it's only a 14x from here. If we drop down lower, as long as you stay above $1, then I say $30 is possible and likely. If you stay up here and you hold this and you start moving up from here, then $60 is possible for a 25, 26x on Sweet. But Sweet doesn't look bad at all. And yeah, we're on a small screen, but yeah. Oh yeah. Now I forgot what you said. Oh, bells. But yeah, to answer your question, I think $30 is very possible at the moment. Bells. Let's see if this pops up. Oh, maybe that was the right coin. Moo the Bull. Yeah, just let me know, is this the right coin? Bells is curling up. Everyone pile in. No, we didn't do B3 yet. What are the two baby tickers? Okay, that's it. All right, good job, or good deal. It's just baby on Solana and then baby soul. When you type in baby, it'll pop right up with the baby soul or baby on soul. 99K market cap, and then the other one's just type in baby soul. One word, baby soul. And it's the one that says energy drink with gamified nets. I think that's what it says. Oh man. B3, let's look at this one first. What's up, Vince? He says, guys, we are all screwed. We are so screwed. Yeah, some coins. I mean, right now, in my opinion, there's the lingering death shadow realm of another 50 to 60% drop on a lot of coins right now. So we'll see what happens. This one right now is getting stuck. Support area now turn resistance right at the 236. So you got to get over 24 to confirm any sort of a bottom. But it's starting to curl up here, so maybe that's it. Doesn't look horrible, but if you can't get over the 236 at 24, then it'll just come right back down and keep going down. But it needs to get over that level, bullish over 34. But if you think this coin is going to be something, let's see what it can do. Breakout confirmed once you get over 60 cents. Oh, that's not a bad move at all. And first business is the $3 range, 1272 13x on bells. Yeah, where do you guys find these coins at? Hold on. Sorry, my daughter was texting me. But yeah, all right. What else were we gonna look at? You guys keep asking for XCN, so I'll pull that up real quick while I look over at the chat. But yeah, don't. Whoever's asking about the coins, it's not financial advice. Don't do like the one dude, and we said something was gonna go up. It never went up, it went down, and he came in here saying he put, I don't even remember what he said. I think he said he put $100,000 on it or something. And it was my fault. He lost 80K. So don't be that guy or girl. But yeah, XCN, whoever keeps asking for XCN here, I mean, you're pretty much holding this resistance area now turn support. You're holding up here, but you're still getting stuck at the top here, the trend. And just keep it that simple. I mean, you got to get over 1.5. If you can start breaking over the trend here and get over 1.5 and then bullish over pretty much 2. But until then, in my opinion, until it just looks like it wants to come down here. But if it comes down a 21% drop, 0097, if it breaks this green box, then yeah, then it's going to fall off the table and not go up for a long time. And yeah, see another one with a 50% drop. So that's my final opinion support level. Oh, let me switch the song here. We want more bullish or bearish? I guess more bullish because I'm tired of being bearish. Let's see. B3, okay, yeah, B3. Market makers still have to bleed out a lot, the dumb money. What'd you say about BTC short of 40x leverage liquidates at 86k? Also took a short on ETH. That's a big player move. That is a big move. 380 million BTC short and a 40x leverage. Oh my god. Some of us like getting screwed. It's our jam. Fart corn really stinks. Yeah, a lot of those meme coins do. Bearish all over the place. Let's see here. B3. Let's bring up B3. B3. Yeah, what is that other coin doing we never looked at? Story? What was that? IP or something? Oh, what was the one we looked at yesterday that just got listed on Coinbase? Who brought that up? I forgot what that was. We could probably find it though. Yeah, this one came up, got stuck at the 382. I gotta switch the music because I can't even hear myself think. Let me just turn it down on my end. But yeah, B3 here. High, low, 382 got stuck. And low, high, you're holding the 618. So any lower than 57.57, then it's just going to come back down and possibly go to a new low. So just keep that in mind. This move is officially over. This move up is officially over below the 618 at 57. But you are holding right now. Daily candles. And then once you get back over 6.4 to 6.6, you're bullish again, and then bullish macro over 8. But yeah, I mean, this is a coin that came out. Either one of these levels is bearish. And now you're stuck below this one. So just keep that in mind. Kusama. Yeah, someone said Kusama last night. I don't think we looked at it. Yeah, what are we looking at? Let me make sure I covered the super chats here. Oh yeah, Kusama. Yeah, we've been bearish for so long, it seems like. No one's been here. Still a decent turnout, but I miss the days of streaming longer and having 100 plus people in here. Oh yeah, we're looking at Baby on Soul. Yeah, not a problem, my man. Kusama. Yeah, what is the ticker for Kusama? I don't know if we've actually ever looked at it. KSM. Yeah. I don't even think we have a chart for this one. Oh, Kusama's on Blowfin. Alright, KSM. Let's see what she's doing. Oh, come on. Oh, my lord. Dang, how old is Kusama? I know it's old, but damn. Let's see what she's doing on the macro. See if this one's bullish. Is this one on Coinbase? She's down 6% on the week. Looks like it's trying to form a bottom. But we're on the monthly, so just give it a minute. No respect is given. You're down below the 382.5. Above the 618. So on the macro, I mean, it's not respecting it, but you can clearly see if it stays over the 618 here, then Yeah, since this is an older coin, we're just going to keep it simple as hell. We're going to get that off. We're going to zoom this out. Turn off this stupid auto button. Alright, so we'll just keep it simple. If that's the bottom on it, we'll just see where this thing can end up. Yeah, I'm just surprised I've never looked at Kusama. So, of course, the macro, you have to get over 34. Over 34 to confirm a macro bottom, and then bullish over 60. And then low to the high, yeah, you're down below the 786, so there's no support right now. And just keep it simple. We'll look at the high target in just a moment if this is the bottom, but high to the low. Right now, short term, you have to get back over pretty much 20. If you cannot get over 20, then it's just going to go make a new low. Go lower than it is. But there's, I mean, unless that's the bottom or not, there's nothing bullish. I wouldn't buy Kusama. I don't even know what it is, but just the chart, I don't like it. It's not respecting me, so I'm not going to respect it. But let me pull that back up real quick. And let's just see where this thing can go. If that is the bottom really quick here, I feel like I'm getting behind. 382, so it needs to move up 250% just to be bullish. 618 retracement, not bad. Up to about 150 would give you an 8.5x. And if you can go higher than that, I mean, it is an older coin, so just keep that in mind. It may only hit 100, it may only hit 150, and then that's it. If it doesn't die from here. And if you're lucky, a 17x up to 280. If you're super lucky and you think this thing's going to hit a new high this cycle, then there's your 100x up to $1,800. But there's no way I would hold this past these levels here. Not to say anything bad about the coin, I just don't know what it is. Can we look at Cosmos? Yeah, didn't someone say Swift coin? Fart coin stinks. I don't know if we've ever looked at Fart coin. You can see a Head and Shoulders. Oh yeah. Swift and Fart. Yeah, we've looked at Fart coin. We haven't looked at it in a while. Yeah, if you didn't buy these coins when they first came out and get the run, these things just don't look good at all. They came all the way up to the 2272, got stuck, wicked up there, and you're all the way back down, but we're going to do it better than this. Let's see what this tells us. Yeah, you're down below the 382, low to the high, no longer bullish below 37, and if you cannot get above that, it's probably just going to come back down. But you are holding the 0.5 like you held back here. Slightly higher low, so you need to stay over 20 and break over 37 on Fart coin. If you cannot get over 37, then this does run the risk of doing everything else. 65% drop back down to 10, 11. Is Fart coin on Coinbase? I don't even know. I know they listed a whole bunch of coins. But if that is the bottom for Fart, bullish back over 54, and if this thing's going to go for a higher high soon, not a bad move. So if it holds up, $5.50 would be a 17x on Fart coin. And then Swift coin, there's nothing bullish on Swift coin. I'd imagine she's still coming down. Yeah. Just week after week of red. But yeah, whoever's holding Swift coin, I mean, you're testing this high, so you could bounce back up. But if you're going to get any kind of bounce, you have to get back over the 618 at 1.2 for any kind of bullish momentum back up. Otherwise, It's time for chop and down, or just straight down. No idea what's going to happen, but there's nothing bullish on it right now at all. Put in the higher high, and now it's time to put in the higher low, it looks like. So right now, short term, I would say any lower than 1, then it's just going to come all the way back down. And another coin that's just going to come over the next couple months, just drop all the way back down, 57%. Unless you go sideways and you hit it over here. But no one knows. You hold Kusama for a long time. I mean, I hope it goes up for you. I hope all these coins go up for all you guys. I hope you guys are investing in the right coins and we actually get a move out of here. At least a relief bounce right now. What are your best altcoins? At this point, nothing. The only thing I'm holding is XCN because I FOMO'd in, but oh, we've been on here for almost an hour already. What else did we not look at? So with Ondo, looks like it's breaking down again probably. So what is DGen doing? What is Myro doing? I'm always interested in what Myro's doing for some reason. Is there any coin that's extremely bearish or bullish right now? Like it just looks like it's dying. I don't want to lose money, but I really want to open up a long or a short on something, get some of my money back. Yeah, DGen's still holding our box. We drew this just for, you know, this area here. She's down below the 786 on that candle, bear flag, and you have to get back over 4 for any kind of momentum up, or it could easily drop all the way down. But positive notes, higher low from these. So you still have, I guess, is the final thing to stay at all bullish. You have to hold here. You have to hold this higher low. So if this green box gets taken out, then see you back in the shadow realm. Cosmos, yeah, that was it. I appreciate that. Cosmos, Atom. But yeah, Cosmos hasn't moved. These older coins that have not moved. Let's see what Cosmos is doing on the overall chart. Overall macro Cosmos chart. Oh man, I don't think Cosmos is ever going to go back up. She's been making lower lows and lower highs since the top. You're holding the 618 though. So you're holding a macro area here. So this, I mean, technically is the bottom. I mean, it could go lower, but the fact that you're holding every time you're down at this level, 450 on Cosmos. So as long as you're above 450, bottom is technically in, low to the high, macro wise, it's exactly what you want to see, and it can move back up. And then bullish back over 1080, but we're going to draw another one on the chart. But yeah, this is a macro monthly chart, so not going to play out overnight. But just so we can see it, high to the low, you got stuck at the 0.5, you got stuck at the 618, 0.5, 382, 236 is next. So you have to get back over 630, bullish over 9 up to 1085, and then you can be bullish again. Break out to the moon over 16.5. And then Cosmos, where can it end up? If that is the bottom, older coin. Could do a 5x to 25 if you're lucky. And I would say Moonshot is 87 for an 18x on Cosmos. Oh man, what's up, Metal? How you doing, my man? Yeah, the whole market just sucks. I mean, the fact that Jasmine broke down, that shows you what's going on. Hold on, I gotta text my daughter back. Give me a moment. All right, we're still here. Oh man, 400K to 100K. Ah, that's a brutal. Yeah, at that point, I don't think I would sell for that kind of a loss. Jasmine's going to go back up at some point, but man, I just lost half my money too. Let's see. But yeah, sorry, I'm distracted by my phone at the moment. But I don't know if you've been here or not, but we've been kind of looking at this green box we drew on the chart. This has to be it. This has to be the bottom for Jasmine. Because if it breaks this green support box now, then there's no bull run. I mean, if we fall lower than the 0.5 here and this green box breaks just the macro support area, then you're going to drop all the way down here. So Jasmine needs a bounce like now, or another coin that's going to drop another 60%. But that's what has me scared. That's why I'm not back in the market yet, besides XCN. Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, you got 1 Bitcoin and 11 million Jasmine. That's not bad at all. Just, we need the market to go up already. What's up, Hamid? The base coins are screwed. We haven't looked at those in so long. But yeah, I lost all my money on the deck screener coins. A couple $100 I had on some coins. But that's why I'm not buying anymore. I'm thinking about buying the 2 baby coins though. How can you not? Are there any other plays like baby? I don't know. We haven't been looking at the coins. You guys got to shill some more baby coins, some of these coins, so I can get back in on a couple of Solana plays just to see what happens. Yeah, we didn't even look at flip coins. What is I don't even want to look. Used car and all that doing. Wind took all my money. It's unfortunate. What else did we look at? We looked at so many. But yeah, if I had money on the side, looking at the Jasmine chart here, I would buy in here. And then if it goes lower, buy in again. But if it goes lower than it is now, then maybe maybe it doesn't hit $1 now, but I still think it's going to hit 30 cents. Jasmine to the moon at some point. Come on now, hold on. Don't you guys hate autocorrect on your phone when you're trying to say something and it does something else and then you push send? Alright. Alright, let's see what else we want to look at here. Buy more Jasmine. The base coins were a Coinbase scam. Well, I mean, those coins on base and the coins on Arrow, and just, it is what it is. You're gonna leave 1 million XCN for the next bull run? Damn, he's got some patience there. I need it now. I know it'll never happen, but if I put 50 bucks on 2 of those baby coins, they'll never go up. So why even try? We got 63 people still in here. Everyone answer the poll, please, and hit the like button. That will be much appreciated. We're even 30 people on X and 30 people on YouTube here. So what are we looking at now? I think we covered everything you guys wanted to look at for today. So I guess that's going to be it. Carl the Moon says you need 0.10 Bitcoin to become a millionaire in the next 10 to 20 years. Yeah, if I make any money, I plan on buying some Bitcoin. At least I want to get 1 Bitcoin, but anything will work. But this bear market, I want to buy a Bitcoin. When it goes up and then it drops back down 90%. Let's see. You have a good feeling about Jasmine? How about Luna Classic? What's up, Ruben? Lunk? I don't know. I mean, there's so many coins out there, but yeah, I know Luna Classic's gonna run, Elon's gonna run, Jasmine's gonna run, Shiba's gonna run, but the question is when. I mean, looking at this one on the monthly, Luna Classic, it looks like the bottom is clearly in. It's not really respecting. You're below, so it could go lower. And you are making lower lows and lower highs, so it's technically not bullish, but you can clearly see there's some sort of a bottom that has formed here. We just draw this on the chart. So it looks like the bottom should be in for Luna Classic, looking on the macro monthly chart. If we pull it up to the weekly, yeah, I mean, it's like Jasmine. I mean, it looks like everything is down at this area to where it should be the bottom. If we're actually going to die another 50 to 60%, then I guess there's no bull market. But clearly right now, Luna Classic, you have to get over 7.2. Break the structure here of the lower highs, get over the 0.5, break that, and then you can start moving up. Confirmed breakout over 23. And then I don't know if Luna Classic is going to a penny like a lot of people want. I highly doubt that. You got 4 zeros right now. I think if you're lucky on Luna Classic, you'll get a 27x up to 001 here from today, if that's the macro bottom, which it looks like I said. Could you touch half a penny? If we have a monster bull market, If Luna Classic does an 80x to here, then we're all going to be making money. But yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens. But I don't think there's going to be a 250x to a penny and a half on Luna Classic. But not financial advice. If you ever wanted to buy this thing, it could go lower, so keep that in mind. But just it looks like the bottom is in. But yeah, I mean, if it goes to those levels and we have a Monster Bullrun and you get a half a penny Luna Classic, great. That'll be awesome. We just all need to make money one last time, or at least some of us do. At least half a penny. Tara, please. Didn't Tara go into 0? Tara to 0 was Myro and Degen and Tara. Oh, you're talking about the different Tara. I was thinking Tara's AI for some reason. Tarax. Let me look at the other chart for Tarax. I think we already did that. I think it's the same thing. Tara. Tara to the moon. What's she doing? Yeah, I mean, a slight strong move up. You're trying to be bullish here, consolidating. So we'll see. If it can get over 1, then it may shoot right up to 2. If this little consolidation pattern's about to play out, which it very well could. It looks bullish here. But like I keep saying, every time we want to be bullish, they tell us no, and we go the other direction. So maybe 145% spike on Tara very soon. But yeah, I think the market needs a relief. It needs relief. We need a bounce. Even if it's for a day or two. Some of these coins need to bounce back up 50 to 100% so we don't completely die. Because we've been so bearish lately. But Tara, new high, not bad. If it holds up here and you get that move up and you break over 1 and then 2, possible 19 to 20 cent Tara up to 22x. But yeah, I mean, I'm not bearish. I mean, I'm bearish now because I don't have any money in the market, and every time I put it in, it just goes away. But I'm patient. I know alt season's coming, even though everyone says it's not. It'll be here at some point. He says everything will be okay. What's up, Dave Lark? How you doing, my man? Good morning from Singapore. First cycle. Who you talking to, me? No, I was here last time. I just didn't know enough about crypto last time. I bought a bag of Shiba and a bag of Cardano. Not enough. Made a little bit of money, not enough. I didn't know what I was doing at the time. So this time I really don't want to miss alt season. When we actually flip bullish, which could be all the way into November at the end, then I don't want to miss it because I know how crazy and wild it gets. Ethereum to 1300. Yeah. Yeah, if you watch Ben Cohen, more likely than not, Ethereum's still going down. Yeah, if you want to be bearish, go watch Ben Cohen's videos because we're not going up for a long time. So that's why I say, even though that is the case, we need a bounce. We need to bounce back up on everything so we can actually have a drop without completely dying. We need Ethereum to turn around 47-50% right now, back test, and then we can fall off the table again, back down to 1300. But yeah, Ethereum looks horrible. She's still dropping another 12% to 16, and then next stop is 13. So any lower than that level, I think she's just going to go down. What is this 3-day chart? Oh man, damn! I need to go open up a short on Ethereum. I haven't even looked at this. Bear flagging, either bear flagging or continuation pattern down, but what is she going to drop? Just a quick little trade. Get a 10% move down. I mean, that's not a lot, but it's something. If it goes down to 1300 on Ethereum and I put in a short right now, 30% drop if she's really going to 1300. What you guys think? She's going to 1300? There's nothing bullish on this at all. That looks bearish as hell to me. We're going down. Oh my god. Damn. I'm just afraid if I put that rest of that money I have on it, it's going to have a bounce up. Man. Sub shadow. They're not going to all go together. It'll just be weeks of coins just going to the moon out of nowhere. And that's why you got to have a good list. That's why I'm building my list up. So I'm just going to go through my list. If something pumps, does a 5x, I'm going to get out or whatever it's going to do. It depends on how much volume's coming in and what it looks like at the time. But I'm just going to rotate my way to $100,000, and then we'll see what happens. That's all I asked for. I don't need more than that. I just need enough money this cycle to pay off my house, pay off my truck, and just be better. What's up, Shadow? What did I miss? You missed a lot. We went over a whole bunch of coins. We went over some deck screener coins, a couple of gamble play coins, baby coins on Solana that look good for, what was it, a 6,000x? What is that? Did we do that yesterday? What is a $50 investment on a 6,000 possible X? Not that it's ever going to happen, but damn. Oh, 300 grand. 300 grand. Give me a moment. I'll be right back. I gotta check on my boys. See what they're up to. All right, we're back. Says stack up. Yeah, that would be nice if we could all make money and pay off our stuff. We will. We'll get there. There's nothing to be overly bearish about, I guess. We'll get there. What were we looking at? Oh yeah, Ethereum. Putting in a short on Ethereum for a 10% drop. That's not much, but that looks bad right now. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing the same thing. Damn, are we actually going down? That's not good. A little strong move down. Another bear flag's forming. Oh, man. There's no way. Are we actually going to break this large bull flag? Damn, that's what it's telling us, but how can that be the case? How are we going to be that bearish? I guess we could come back down to 68K, not be as bullish as we want to be out of this, but a drop down to 68K, back test all of this, and then that's when we go up. And that's when Bitcoin finally makes a move for 120K, 68K, the bottom. And then we see where this thing ends up for the top and then into the bear market. But yeah, looking on the smaller time frames, it's not looking good. Where are we on the daily? Yeah, someone said they put in a large short. Let's see. Let's see what has more downside here. So 16% drop on Bitcoin. So I guess Ethereum's going to have the bigger drop, 30%. Most brutal market ever, yeah. Crypto is brutal sometimes. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to look at. Solana BTC pair, see what it's doing. Oh, we did. I don't think I've ever looked at that, but we retested the previous hike before the big breakout. I mean, yeah, everything's kind of screaming it. So right now, daily chart, we're screaming. It looks like we're coming back down, and then we'll go up. So I guess there's no point in getting in the market until 68K BTC, and then we'll go to the moon. Yeah, I guess all I got to do is short ETH and Bitcoin and make a little bit of money. Can you imagine if I put in a short on Bitcoin and ETH and we just go up? All right, BTC pair. I know I have Solana on here somewhere. Sol. Let's just zoom out on Solana Bitcoin pair. Why do we have this on here? Let's see. I mean, there's nothing looking good on here. Yeah, if Bitcoin and ETH are going down and all these Bitcoin pairs still got a bottom, then this thing's just going to die. 50% drop. And that's exactly what Swiftcoin did. We pointed this out before. Swiftcoin, the downtrend, it had its little recent pump, and it got stuck right at the trend again. So she's done for now. And ETH is not going up. The ETH pairs just keeps going lower. The nasty downtrend. So until that downtrend is broken, there's no alt season. So I guess Ben Cohen's right. These coins are coming back down, hitting the range lows and just coming down. So until we get a move down here and we break back over and break the trend down, then there's nothing happening, I guess. We should have just kept our head in the shadow realm and not looked out yet. Damn. Even Access Protocol came back down to the bottom, so that should be the bottom on this one too. Whatever happened to Cookie and Open? Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, you guys said Cookie got listed on Coinbase, right? And then I pointed out there's a bear flag forming, so she's going down. And she broke it. She backtested, and it's time to go down. I wonder if I could short Cookie, because Cookie looks like it's about to fall off the table. I don't think I can. I'm just going to hunt for bear flags and just short everything. Let's go on a hunting spree. What did I miss? Most of the alts on daily frames, what looks like a bear flag. Yeah, I'm telling you, we just need to short everything. Short and then rotate into another short. No idea how to short. You can do it on Coinbase, or can you? I think you can do it on Coinbase Premium or something like that. You can't just do it on the regular. You can do it on Blowfin. That's what I use. Just go watch a video on YouTube how to long and short on Blowfin. It's pretty easy. It's not hard. But James says, I just joined, but I was wondering if you could do one on Brett when everything turns back bullish. Yeah, we can look at Brett. I don't know the answer to that question. How low will the USD pairs generally go down? I mean, as long as the Bitcoin pairs are going down, the USD pairs are not going up. They're just going to continue to bleed out. So we may actually get the 50 to 60% drop on a lot of coins here. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Brett, what is Brett doing? They never listed Brett on Coinbase, did they? Damn. They pulled the rug on Brett. Yeah, I remember back here we were looking at Brett. Same thing everything did. Broke the trend, broke every support level it could ever find. You're down below the 786, so if you cannot get back over, let's see. Yeah, low to the high. I can't even see that there. Got to get it back over 3.8, 4 to 3.8. But looking at Brett, I mean, this is it. Is it going to actually come all the way back down to the low at 2? It could. Let's take it off of log scale and see what we see. But yeah, I mean, it looks like it's at the bottom again. But if we ever turn bullish again, I mean, if it doesn't go lower than it is now, I guess it could go down a penny, but it already dropped down 80, 90%. So how much lower could it go? Especially after that move down. What are we on? Weekly? Let's see if there's some kind of bearishness on it. It doesn't look good either. I mean, it looks horrible. Just keep it simple. You have to get over that level to have any form of anything. Let's see here. And then if we go high to the low, we'll do 2 different ones here. And then how high is Brett going to go? I don't know. If you listen to the influencers, they say 50 to 100 billion market cap on these meme coins, but you got to get over 3.8 up to 4.3 for any kind of life. And then at this point, let's see, let's just move that out of the way. I don't know if we have any. Yeah, never mind, we did. But yeah, you broke your previous high for just a moment, and then that's where you died. I don't know if it's going to respect these levels here, but we have the market caps on here for a reason. I think this has fixed supply, doesn't it? So if these big meme coins can hit a 10 billion market cap, then maybe you get $1 Brett. I mean, if you get a 30x out of Brett, who's going to complain about that? If you get a 50x out of Brett to $1.50, but for those calling for, you know, the 50 billion market cap territory, that would take you up to around $5 and almost 160x on Brett. If you believe it's going to a 50 billion market cap, which they're saying it will. Brett and Pepe and whatever else are the big coins. All right, let me get back over to the chat. I'm probably missing something here. Yeah, short all the coins. Coinbase is getting rid of. Maybe the case. What's up, Cha? How you doing, my man? We're here trying. Every time I put money in the market, my man, it just goes away. The little speck I have left is on the side, and I'm just gonna wait. Wait for the right opportunity. What time is it? All right. Yeah, we looked at Brett. I guess we looked at everything. A little bit longer of a live stream today, but once we flip bullish, we'll be back to we'll be back to doing things. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I didn't get out of my coins; they got me out. Money's gone. My Phantom wallet's sitting there with just a bunch of zeros on it. It's just gone. So maybe they'll wake up and I'll get some money back at some point, but my Phantom wallet is dead. There is 2 coins I want to buy though. I don't know if you were here for it, but we're gonna those 2 baby coins on Solana, Baby Soul and Baby. I'm gonna put $50 in and get our 6,000x on Baby. Do you see Moonwell being successful? I don't know. There's so many different projects and coins. There's no telling what's going to survive. Especially when it comes to the bear market. This next bear market's probably going to destroy a lot of coins. Especially if we do not have a good bull run and we just have a nothing. And a lot of coins don't go up. These coins are going to get destroyed in the bear market. Moonwell. I don't remember what Well's doing, but Well. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Well's doing the same thing. Is going to be successful in the long run. I have no idea. Like I said, I really don't know what the project is or does. I have no idea what Moonwell does. We just simply look at the charts. So, and right now it's looking bearish. I mean, overall, you're making the higher high still. So if it goes lower than 1.8 and then 1.4 here and breaks this low, then it's done for now. But technically, it's back testing the trend and getting stuck. So it's probably going to fall down. And then if we're going to be that bearish on ETH and Bitcoin and everything else under the sun, then IIOL is going to drop 60%, break structure, and then be bearish for the next 6 months. You imagine if we don't go up until like end of October, November, and we just go up for a month and that's it. It's not going to give us enough time to buy all the different coins. That will be the worst if that happens. But I don't think it's going to happen. We're going to go up at some point. Because we need to make some money. Yeah, we need to get a lot more people in here so I can ban some people. I miss banning people. I know that's not good, but it's kind of fun. Why can't I get this to move? But yeah, hour and a half. I guess we're gonna leave it at that. And we'll be back on here tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Monday. Yeah, I'm gonna try to grind it out this week. Hopefully we have some kind of bullish news this week, but I'm gonna try to we're going to try to do some long live streams and a bunch of videos. But yeah, everyone please hit the like button. It helps out a lot. And always remember, none of this is financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. It's all fake. Just be smart about what you do. Make good decisions. Make good choices. Let me see if I can get this pulled up. Let me go see what the... Oh, yeah, never mind. The poll was about hitting the like button, I believe, so I guess there's no point in looking at it. But yeah, the subscribers have almost stopped, which is unfortunate. Okay, let me pull this up. Hopefully it's not going to scream. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys coming in here every day and just hanging out. And, you know, we learn stuff every day. Come across some more gamble coins every day. But yeah, we'll see what the market holds. I should never be deprived of banning people. I guess I get my fun out of it. I need to go check the Discord. I haven't been on the Discord in a couple weeks. I don't know if you guys are on Discord, but it's just not my thing. But you guys can always go over there on the Discord and hang out and talk like you guys do in the chat here. And maybe I'll start getting on there more. I don't know. But I probably got to go ban someone on there. What am I looking for? But yeah, ETH does need to pump. We got Eric for 2. He's trying to keep the stream alive. Cookie Dow. Can we already look at Cookie? I appreciate the 2. Cookie. Yeah, I appreciate the 2 a lot. Just keeping the dream alive. Cookie. Yeah, we looked at Cookie already. Yeah, because I remember saying I should have shorted this thing, because we were looking at it the other day. Bear flag, broke the bear flag, broke the 382, bearish, back testing, so she's going down. So you do have the 0.5 in the macro, 786, or not the 786. But you can see she's probably dropping 20% very soon. Probably lower than that, probably double 618. So I'm gonna have to go look and see if I can short Cookie. What else? An Ondo. We didn't even look at Ondo, but a 46% drop is lingering on Cookie Dow. It could even go lower than that, but I would say she's probably coming down here. There's nothing bullish on it anymore. So unless you get back over 20, break back over this and get some momentum up, you're bearish below that, and you formed a bear flag, and now you're just going to free fall. Cookie down back to the shadow realm. Yeah, someone said it was supposed to be listed on Coinbase, but I guess that doesn't matter. which it never matters. But yeah, big wick, that looks like a top. And just zooming out so you can see, what is that? So if you think Cookie Dow from today, which I said is going to drop more, can hit $1 billion market cap, then from here, you're going to get about a 22x. All the way down to the 6618, you're looking at a 42x. Yeah, exactly. I told you guys before, I'm never going to send you guys private messages or ask for money or ask for anything stupid. And yet people are getting scammed over there. That's why I don't like it. Scammers all over the place. It's ridiculous. I appreciate the words, my man. I appreciate you guys being here. Like I said, we'll be back tomorrow. Let's wrap this up. Let me end the poll. I appreciate the couple of super chats keeping the channel alive here. How do I end the poll? Poll is ended. Wow, we only got 30 likes. Oh, this is all right. It's all good. All right, we'll leave with that with Cookie Dow. We'll be back here tomorrow. I appreciate you guys coming in. We'll check out the Discord and after I log off of here and see what's going on. So yeah, maybe you guys hop over on the Discord for a moment. We'll go ban some people. But yeah, with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.